Now here at Bike World, we've got some sponsors. We've got people that help us make the videos that we love making for you guys. A few of these people here, for instance. But what we're not about to do is stop halfway through skids, wheelies and drifting to tell you about some new testicle shaving device or fine hair, grey hair hiding cream. Believe me, we've been asked. However, you lot are into motorbikes. We've got a lot of people that have products they want to show to you, but we're not going to do it interrupting our main videos. So we're launching Bike World commercial videos. We're going to make it super clear at the start of each video that this is a commercial piece, an advertorial if you will, and it's just an informational video about a certain product. We try and make sure that all these products are super relevant to motorcycling, not testicle shaving, and more to the point, we use the products. We don't want to just talk about stuff that we've never even tried our hands on. So here's the deal. It's not going to affect any of the videos we make about bikes. It will not reduce the number of skids and wheelies on the channel. I'll make that promise to you. But if you want to watch it and find out about a product you're interested in, happy days, watch to the end, and there'll normally be a discount code in there so you can get a reduced price on the product. And if you don't want to watch it, just scroll down and pick on the next video with burnouts and my face with a massive smile on it. Easy. So to kick us off, here's the first one we made, which is about the SP Connect phone mount system. Now this has had some proper thorough testing. We've been putting it to use on-road, off-road, on quad bikes, Land Rovers, Hayabusas, you name it, we've had an SP Connect on it for the last about year and a half. So here's a little video we made having some fun and showing you what this phone product can do. If you ride a £20,000 adventure bike with the latest fancy 6-inch TFT dash and all the phone connectivity you could ever want, you probably don't need to worry about this video. However, if you're someone who uses their phone on their bike for navigation, for music, for answering calls with a Bluetooth headset, there's a few different ways to mount your phone to your bike that keep it safe and secure. Now the old simple cable ties and gaffer tape works an absolute treat. It's a little bit of a pain getting your phone on and off at the far end. Now there's a product that you're probably sick of seeing social media adverts about, that everyone knows about, but I want to talk to you about the one we've been using at Bike World, which is the SP Connect. With the SP Connect system, there are a bunch of different mounts available to suit the bike or bikes that you choose. So you've got a stem mount that goes on sports bikes, there's a sort of mountain bike handlebar clamp mount, there's a motorcycle handlebar clamp mount, there's a vent mount for your car, there's a screen mount. You basically pick the mounts that suit you and stick them on. Then you put your phone in the SP Connect case, which has got a rotating lock system on the back, pop it on the mount, twist it 90 degrees, stays in place. So compared to that other brand we've all heard of that sell phone mounts for bikes, there are a few advantages with the SP Connect. I've used both for over a year, and I think there's a couple of bits about the SP Connect system that I prefer. First and foremost is the actual mount system itself is sleeker, it's smaller, it's more compact. So particularly the anti-vibration module, that is a much neater setup that doesn't take up so much space, isn't big and bulky, and your phone slots on it a bit nicer. Secondly, the actual phone case itself with the SP Connect is a sleeker phone case. It's smaller in your hand, it's a bit nicer to hold, if that's a thing for a phone. And for me, I find it better to put my credit card and my emergency tenner down between my phone and the case. So if you're someone like me who likes to squirrel random bits of cash away for beer on a rainy day, SP Connect has an advantage there. So SP Connect have sent us a bunch of the updated parts for their latest Connect system. We've got an anti-vibration module, we've got a moto handlebar mount, a mountain bike handlebar mount, and a stem mount, which is kind of the sports bike system, and the latest case. So we're going to get stuck in, fit all that to the bikes, and go off some massive jumps, see if we can make it fall off. If you want to get your own SP Connect or find out more about them, check out ferrodax.com and find your local retailer.